Alright guys, as a quick addendum to this is my Matsushita monitor that came out of my Millipede. It's going back in my Millipede. But if you remember, if you recall, the neck board was all screwed up. And I kind of hodgepodged it together to where it worked. But I said I was going to fix it, but I wasn't going to film it. I didn't film it. I did fix it. And I bought the proper socket for this guy, my 467 tube rejuvenator for the Matsushita monitor. And I just did a quick clean and balance on this tube. I didn't even do rejuvenate. And it absolutely made this thing 1,000 times better. It is just beautiful. I mean, it really fixed the focus a little bit on it, it seems like. I mean, it's just sharp now. Beautiful. And take a look at, I got this fixed proper now. Those are 3 watt 4.7K ohm resistors. So I got that fixed proper now. It's not all hodgepodged. Yeah. And this thing is beautiful. I'm going to go set this camera up and do a monitor shot with the lights off because it is nighttime now. It's dark. And you'll see just how bright this thing just pops. So let me set this camera up and I'll be back. And here it is, and my goodness, I don't know if the camera just does this justice, but this is absolutely beautiful. This might be one of the best monitors I've ever seen. I mean, I know that's kind of crazy to say that, but man, this is beautiful. It really is. This is the tube that I got from Todd, not from Todd, but the hookup that Todd hooked me up with. This is the tube that had the slight game over from pole position. That's right, I did a tube swap on this and put this tube on there. Right? Yeah, I did. That is a clean tube. There's no burn on that. I mean, this is just going to be absolutely beautiful. This Millipede game is going to be beautiful. You know, the cabinet is not 100%, but it really doesn't matter. This thing is going to look and play great. And that is really what matters. All right, guys, I just kind of wanted to film a little addendum to this. That I've finished the repair on the neck and cleaned it up. It's a lot cleaner now. And did a clean and balance on the guns in the tube. Is they wouldn't track. I couldn't set tracking. So I just went and I cleaned them. I did a clean and balance on them, and it just, boom, it just brought it to life. So yeah. That's all I got for this one, guys. Just this is ready to go. This monitor is ready to go in the game now. So I think all I have left is control panel. The control panel is really all I need to do, and just clean. I got to clean all this stuff up, and Millipede would be good to go. Yeah. I do need to, I'm going to redo the edge connector. That'll be the next thing I do, is the edge connectors. I'm going to replace the edges on the harness. But yeah, just wanted to make a little update for people to see how this is coming along. And the monitor is now 100% complete. All right. Well, we'll see you on the next one, guys. I got a dig dug coming up, and that'll be fun. So we will see you later.